In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the YouTube app on a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. Whether you're looking to enjoy your favorite videos without having to open a web browser every time, or you simply want a quick and easy way to access YouTube from your device, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First off, let's jump into the Microsoft Store, which is your gateway to downloading a range of apps, including YouTube, on your Windows device. Locate the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar, or search for it in the Start menu. Once you've opened the store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in YouTube. Now, it's worth noting that while you're searching, you might come across various options. You should specifically look for YouTube by Google LLC. If for some reason you can't find it, don't worry. You might come across YouTube TV, or you can opt for a trusted progressive web app, which I'll explain in a moment. Once you've identified the correct application, you'll see a button labeled Get or Install. Click on this button, and the store will start the installation process. This may take a few moments, so sit tight. After the installation is complete, you'll want to open the app to ensure everything is working smoothly. To do this, go back to your Start menu, and you should find YouTube listed among your apps. Click to open and check that it's functioning as expected. Now, if you're looking for an alternative method that doesn't involve downloading from the Microsoft Store, here's a nifty trick. Open your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, or another you prefer. Navigate to youtube.com, and once there, look at the browser address bar. You might notice an icon that looks like a download or install symbol. Clicking on this icon will allow you to install YouTube as a progressive web app, or PWA. Essentially, this means you'll get app-like functionality with all the benefits of web-based access without having to download a separate app from the store. This PWA option can be a fantastic solution, especially if you're running low on storage space, since it effectively acts like an app but doesn't require the same amount of resources. Both methods give you easy access to YouTube right from your desktop, making it convenient to dive into your favorite content at any time. There you have it. A quick and easy guide to having YouTube right at your fingertips on your Windows PC or laptop. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.